If your microphone is not working or keeps speaking the wrong input in the NVIDIA app, this video will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Let's get in. Check microphone in control panel. So click on the start menu, search for control panel. Once you find it, launch it. Make sure the view by is set to large icons. Now from this list, find sound. Once you find it, launch it. Now head towards the recording tab. Find your actual mic, right click, set as default device. Right click any mic you don't use, disable it. Hit apply, then OK to lock it in. Double check in Windows Sound Settings. Launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option System. Now head towards the section Input. Click any old or fake mics, hit Don't Allow to block them. Lastly, tweak settings in NVIDIA app. Launch NVIDIA app and head towards the microphone toggle. Turn it off, tap Instant Replay, turn that off too, back out, click Settings, Audio, under Source, choose your real mic, back out, turn Instant Replay back on. Switch your mic settings to always on. Now record a quick clip and see if it works. And that's it. With these settings, you'll be good to go. Your microphone not working on NVIDIA app will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.